ಖುಷಿ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This time we went on really a special trip to Sakrebyle Elephant Camp. The camp is near Shivamogga. This time we stayed at jungle lodges in Sakrebyle itself, which gave us a complete nature experience. Let's take you through our journey. From jungle lodges it is just 500 to 600 meters where they took us in their jeep. There is a small ticket counter at the entrance. Adults need to take a ticket, but for kids it's usually free.
ಎಸ್, ನಾವು ಜಂಗಲ್ ಲಾಡ್ಜಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಬಾತಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ 100 rupees per head. ಎಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಕ್ರೆಬೈಲು. ಖುಷಿ ಹಾಯ್ ಹಾಯ್.
The staffs were friendly and explained that the elephants come to the river for their morning bath between 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. We walked down to the river bank and the view was just beautiful. The river was calm, surrounded by greenery, and in the water were around 20 elephants. Both the big and the small were enjoying their bath. Watching them splash water, play and roll around was such a joyful moment. The little baby elephant were the stars of the show. Playful, curious and so adorable. The mahouts explained that these elephants are brought from the nearby forest every morning for their bath and care routine. So after the bath, they return to the forest by noon. The bond between the elephants and their caretakers is really heartwarming to see. We also gave a bath to an elephant. He was enjoying a lot in the water and just splashing around. We felt really good to see and touch these beautiful big canes from so nearby.
ಖುಷಿ
ಗುಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್. ಮುಂಗಡೆನಾ ಕಾಡಾನೆಗಳು ಹೊಡೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಗಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಡಾನೆಗಳು.
ಇಲ್ಲಡಿಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಡಿಲಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಗ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಗ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಯೋದು, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
If you are visiting with kids, they will absolutely love it. It's been both fun and educational. Seeing elephants in their natural behavior instead of zoo feels truly special. You can touch these elephants only when they are near the riverside. As soon as they get bath and come back to the camp, we are not allowed to touch or feed the elephants. Look at this beautiful gains act. ಮಾವುತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೋ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವನ್ನ.
ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
ಹೋಗೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು, ಪೋಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿನ್ ತರ ಪೋಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು, ಎಲ್ಲ ತರ ಪೋಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
So if you are planning a trip to Shivamogga or anywhere nearby, Sakrebyle Elephant Camp is a must-visit spot. Make sure to reach early around 7:30 or 8 o'clock to catch the elephants in action. It's one of those rare places where you can feel close to nature, watch elephants being cared for with love and come back with unforgettable memories. And we are heading back to Jungle Lodges and we will check out and move further from here. Thanks for watching till now. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more family travel stories. See you in the next vlog.